Hi, it's Gretchen Dixon, Product Specialist at SOLABS. Today I'd like to give you an overview of the document control process. It is a change control process for documents that comes as part of the core software and can be used if you would like a little bit more formal change control process for your documents that may not be part of a higher level change control process. Like all of our process apps, the document control process comes with a flowchart. So I'll introduce you to the process using that today. The first step in the document control process allows anyone at your site to request a new document, revision of an existing document, or the retirement of a document. And this is a good way for you to centralize processing of documents to a document coordinator at your site, yet allow anyone to request changes. At the document type level, you are able to specify which document types require owner-manager approval. If the requester is initiating a change to a document that does require owner-manager approval, the workflow will send the request to the owner-manager when the initiator submits their request. So that is step 2, and it allows the owner-manager to see what's being requested and approve the change, send it back to the requester for more information, or reject the change. If the requester is requesting a document type that does not require owner-manager approval, that step will actually be skipped, and the process will move directly to the document coordinator processing step. Step 3 is the document coordinator processing, and at this point, the document coordinator will receive a notification and will take a look at the documents that either have been requested without owner-manager approval or approved by the owner-manager, and they will start the processing of those documents. They'll check the metadata, they'll check the attached document, and they will get the reviewers and approvers all set up. When the document is out in its review and approval cycle, they will sign off on step 3, that the documents are now in process. At this point, there's a waiting phase for the documents to become approved. When documents become approved that are set to require training at the document type level, your training administrator will be notified, and that will give them the opportunity to create a training activity if it's a new document, or to verify that the training activity has been created if you had set a recurrence on the document, and set a percentage of training completion if they'd like to do that. We continue a waiting phase for any documents not requiring training that may not be approved yet, or for any percentage training completion that was set by your training administrator. And then at step 5, the process is complete. At that point, the document coordinator can either wait for the planned effective date requested back at step 1, and the documents will become effective on that date. Or if everything is in place, they can manually change the effective date of the document. Thanks.